we talked about how Health Canada completely ignored the known risks with genetically modified meat, the unpredictable genetic modifications, anatomical defects in the animals, and how the animals are more sickly. Those that do survive to an age where you could actually eat them, they tend to be higher in antibiotics, hormones, and other drugs. So Health Canada completely ignores that. But, if you were to trust Health Canada, first of all, you would expect, no, we're not going to ignore the known safety risks. We're also not going to pretend that cloning's safe when we're only looking at data from one type of cloning technology when there's more than one type. And considering the biggest risk of cloned meat is unpredictable genetic defects, well, Health Canada says we're not assessing that risk. What are you talking about? You're not assessing the risk of, genetic damage in eating cloned meat, let alone anatomical damage, let alone, the increase in hormones and antibiotics and other drugs that will be present in cloned meat. But Health Canada and their safety assessment, and you should lose all faith in Health Canada. This is shocking. You would think that in a document where they're trying to convince you to justify basically eating cloned meat, well, you might want to mention that the European Union has banned cloned meat for safety reasons. You might want to mention that the 27 countries of the European Union have come to the opposite conclusion. You might want to mention that there are no human safety studies. You might want to mention that really there are no animal safety studies. And, you might want to mention all these other known problems. If you actually were concerned about our safety,